Hello and welcome to our second Otter script video. We're going to talk about how to create a custom workflow from scratch. Keep in mind that anytime if you're not sure where to begin, you can always send us an email and we will create a custom workflow just for you in your account. To get started, I'm going to click on the Create Workflow button on the top right. Give the new workflow a name and then create it. I'm going to click Details to open it, and once inside, I'm going to add the first step. In this step, we want the users to provide the business description. We'll choose human input and then write the instruction for the user. I'm going to click Done and add the second step. In this step, we want the AI to generate a list of SEO keywords based on the business description that the user provided in the previous step. In my prompt, I can click on the business description variable, which will be replaced by what the user types in the first step. Now I'm going to add the third step, where we get a list of 10 blog post ideas. I want this to be a table, and I'm going to write a prompt for it with the business description and SEO keyword variables to make it very specific to this use case. Then I'm going to define the number of rows and define the columns in the table. In the fourth step, I want to add a column to the table we created in step 3. In this column, we're going to write the entire blog post for each row. I'm going to give a name to the new column and prompt it accordingly with the variables again. In the fifth step, I'm going to add another column and I want to translate the blog post to German. Make sure you select the latest table. Sixth step is adding a column again and writing a short LinkedIn snippet in English in the style and tone that I prefer. And in the seventh step, I'm going to copy paste the prompt from the sixth step, but change the prompt so that the LinkedIn post is now generated in German. When we're done, I'm going to go back to the workflows page and click on Generate for a new workflow to test it out. For business description, I'm going to use a resource and go to the next step. In step 2, I'm going to click Generate to get a list of SEOs. I can edit these as needed. I'm going to click on Continue. In step 3, we're going to get the blog post ideas. It looks good, so I'll click Continue. Keep in mind that you can always customize these if you need. In step 4, I'm going to click Generate to get the entire blog post. I'm going to wait a couple minutes for it to complete and then click Continue. And in step 5, when we click on Generate, we're going to get the blog post translated to German in a new column. Step 6, we're going to get the LinkedIn snippet for each of the blog posts in English. And in the last step, we're going to get a LinkedIn post in German. When it's done, I'm going to click on Finish, and now that it's done, I can download all of the generations in a docx file. Thank you for watching. Please check out our other video. We're always adding new features, and your feedback can help us make the product better for everyone, so we can't wait to hear from you. Thank you.